What is going on YouTube? Hayden here. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas to everybody. If you had a couple of minutes in between the unwrapping or the big meals I'm sure all of you guys are eating and had time to watch the stock market here, I just wanted to give you a brief update to what exactly is going on. We're going to be looking at XRP, which is forming a beautiful bull flag formation. We're also going to be looking at Solana, which is in a bull flag. Ethereum, which has rebounded quite nicely off bottom support. Bitcoin, same exact thing. And then the stock market, which has done an incredible job yesterday rallying higher, but we do have a lot to cover. We do have a lot to go over, and things are going to get pretty interesting for some of these major cryptocurrencies. Now, it's going to be odd because stock market closed a little early yesterday, Christmas Eve, and we're closed today. And it seems like maybe some of these cryptos aren't going to see much volume today either. That would be nice for everybody to get a break. But I do want to update you on where we could expect to see cryptos move to after today and where we've come since yesterday too. So definitely make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. Now guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember BitFi is still giving away $8,100 in free sign-up bonus to those that want to subscribe or join the BitFi exchange. They are the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. We just completed our trading We just completed our trading competition, and we showed the winners in yesterday's and the previous episodes videos here. So definitely make sure to check that out if you're curious if you've won any of that giveaway here. Now, moving forward, they are still giving away $8,100 in BitFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. A new promo is going to be offered fairly soon, and I'll keep you guys updated on that when the time comes. But for the time right now, I do want to jump right into the major cryptocurrencies, kind of figure out what exactly is going on and what we can do moving forward from here. So I'm just pulling up the channel. You can see in yesterday's episode, we talked about the fact that we're starting to head up. We did adjust a couple of charts as of the other day. You can see like yesterday or 2 days ago, we made a video talking about how there's a very small chance that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency could be breaking through supports. And you can see right here, we are closing below this support here. And then we're like, wait a second, all these other cryptocurrencies kind of bottomed off. They've rebounded off moving average. You can see in the video prior to that. But it seems like Bitcoin is heading a little bit lower. Well, then we did some adjusting and tweaking, and we actually said maybe this is a rebound, and maybe crypto has hit some sort of support that we can use to inevitably head higher, and that's kind of where we're sticking with it today. You can see on the current coin market cap here, the markets overall are up about 3%, but honestly, it's nothing really to write home about. We're at 62 on the Fear and Greed Index, up 3% right now. Consolidation across the board here. You can see the last 7 days have pretty much just been sideways or sliding sideways right here, and only recently are we starting to kind of move to the upside here. But it's, again, nothing crazy. 24 hours, some cryptos are up 1, 2, maybe even 3%, but that's about it. But in the past week, we're down double digits, and that's something that you guys have to consider. Now, when looking at XRP, we kind of discussed in the previous episodes that there is, without a doubt, a bull flag forming on XRP and even Solana, and it almost seems like Solana and XRP are more intertwined, and Bitcoin and Ethereum are also more intertwined, separate from each other here. Correlation or just causation, we don't know exactly yet. You can see on the Binance chart here what a bull flag actually looks like. It's a flag pull up, flag down, breakout to the upside here. And if I show you really quick what XRP looks like, you can see this is the exact formation. And this is very, very, very exciting. Rally up, lower high, lower lows, filling in this gap quite nicely here. We had 5 points of confirmation. So at this point moving forward, anything can happen, and we can easily see a break to the upside, which is exciting to me. We also discovered this kind of support here in green that we've drawn on the XRP. So it seems like we're going to consolidate across here. What we're looking for the next buying opportunity, and this could be the last run on XRP, and it could be a big one. It really could be a big one. Like if things go, Bitcoin's way, and we see, XRP's way, and we see a rally to the upside, I will just draw what the possibilities are right here. We could easily see the price hit close to $3.84, and I believe that would be all-time highs for XRP, which I know a lot of people are waiting for, and there's a very big chance this could happen. It all just depends on when this break decides to occur and if and when it does break through this price ceiling right here. So we are looking for that reversal rally and that swing to the upside. And that's truly what it all comes down to. So keep your eyes peeled for XRP. It may not happen this week. It may take up to next week here into January for us to actually see that confirmation, but we could easily be starting off the new year right with another bullish XRP pump, and that would be very exciting for probably all of us here. Now, obviously, we're going to do these trades on BitFi because they are the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BitFi also offers a few crypto or a few cryptos that not many other exchanges offer, including XRP. So this means you can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits all on XRP, even trailing stop losses, which not many exchanges offer for XRP specifically here. And you can see this is pretty much that new fractal that's forming here. It is without a doubt some sort of bull flag formation that's taking place here. And when and if it does decide to break, will be probably one of the first ones to capitalize off this run. You can see I'm just drawing in some of these trends. This is what is forming here. I want to go back to XRP. I think it's a little bit different. Like there's a little swing right here that we didn't have originally. We can include it, but it doesn't look as accurate. I don't know. I guess it does. You can see kind of this fractal that's forming here. We could even swing it up like this and say, hey, maybe there's some sort of symmetrical triangle forming. Very possible to see that also on, the one on XRP on we're doing Bitfinex doesn't look as good as the BitFi chart is here, but there's some sort of fractal forming here. There's some sort of technical indicator forming here. And when and if it does decide to break, we'll be the first ones to get involved in this. So check it out. Once we get confirmation, either above or below these resistances, that will get us that opportunity to be buying in and taking advantage of these markets here. Now, my favorite part about BitFi, unlike other exchanges, is the fact that they have so many other unique things. They have a demo trading account, which gives you $50K in demo money to practice trading your skills, getting familiar with the exchange. And then when you're ready, you can click on live trade and take advantage of that bonus money that you have. And what's cool is you can see right here, they have hot rewards now, which is a new thing. This is actually pretty cool. Maniac calendar, daily rewards nonstop. And then they have exclusive rewards. I'm going to have to check this one out off screen here to see what exactly it is. We then have exclusive rewards, daily rewards that, repeat every day, and then new user rewards as well. So this is a great way for you guys to take advantage of this. Anyone that does decide to sign up can get $100 in free bonus cryptocurrency and then up to $8,100, including this right here. So definitely make sure to check them out. First link down in the description below. But moving forward from that here, jumping back into the major cryptos, you can see with XRP forming this kind of bull flag formation, it then goes on to other cryptos that are forming the same thing. Solana here has also been in a bull flag to the downside, and we have just recently confirmed closure below. We have recently completed our five-wave Elliott point right here, retesting moving average, which means it's pretty much official now that anything can happen. We've now completed this. There's not a need for more consolidation. We could head lower for sure, but even then, keep your eyes peeled on these yellow supports and resistances, because once confirmed above here on the daily, we could easily expect to see a very large break to the upside, which would be very exciting if you ask me. And it goes above just XRP. All these cryptocurrencies are forming technical indicators and technical patterns that could yield some pretty profitable results. Now, the reason we think that there's a chance we could head up a little bit on like Solana and XRP is a lot of these cryptocurrencies bottomed out. Ethereum rebounded off support right here, and we're also starting to rebound to the upside. So that is pretty exciting if you ask me. We then have Bitcoin here doing the same thing. Now, originally we thought, we had this ascending fractal, we broke through it, and I think this is fairly accurate, although if you really wanted to, maybe we could include this right here. Maybe we could include this right here. And it doesn't look as accurate as I'd like it to be. This could maybe be 2 points of confirmation. I guess I could leave it right here. We're going to delete some of this other stuff, make this look a little bit more clear, but you can definitely see the fractal that was forming. We broke down of an ascending broadening wedge, fell down to support, only 2 points of confirmation. So not accurate just yet, but the fact is we rebounded off support here and are starting to head up higher. And that could mean that XRP and Solana and even Bitcoin could be doing the same thing. So unlike Ethereum, Bitcoin is still within what could be an ascending broadening wedge. We have 2 points of confirmation just like here. And this could also mean we could be rebounding off this and heading up. It's very possible that we could be seeing this happen moving forward this week. And then as for the stock market, here's where things get a little bit confusing. It almost looks like we might be hitting a peak. Even though we fell here and there's not enough to gauge whether or not we're at a resistance just yet, or this is a fractal, it's a little too hard to tell. I don't think that is anything here. We did rebound off this 4-hour moving average, which is causing the markets to head up higher. But I do think this could cause rejection and we could continue to consolidate downwards. I don't know. I mean, long term, I do think we look really good, especially into next year for the stock market, but we'll see what happens. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.